When you stay at home, what is your activity? Sleep, eat, then sleep again. Wait. It's not productive. Although you cannot go anywhere, then make you bored because stay at home only. Covid-19 is not obstacle. You can productive by your skill. How about me? When Indonesia stricken by Covid-19, I stay productive. As a freelance videography profession, I don't want my skill go down. Therefore, I practice my skill while stay at home. That is how I make myself is not bored while stay at home. Have you ever heard my practice make perfect? And for you all, stay at home is not bored. It's you know what you love to do.